Fine. So this is what we have discussed. Welcome on board. Let's begin the presentation. Why is time management important? Can I know from you? Why is it important for you? Why? Why do we suffer from, we suffer from this and still we want to learn? Why? Come on in the chat box. Why? Why is this important? Open your chat box. Goals can be achieved. True, absolutely. So at least we know why it is important, because we want to achieve our goals. Absolutely. Others, quick, why? Anybody, why is this important? To have organized life. Absolutely true. Best use of 24 hours. Perfect. Increase happiness. This is the most amazing answer, I mean, every answer is amazing, but when you completely utilize your 100% of the time, 100% of the time, you are the most happiest person. It's not what I am saying, it's what the research has said. And research says that when you, it's not, I'm not talking about completely productive का मतलब है कि आप पूरे टाइम काम करते रहो. No. टाइम मैनेजमेंट का मतलब है जितना टाइम आप अपने काम को दे रहे हो, equally your family is important, equally your other chores are important. Cleaning a cupboard is also a part of your time management. And if you do that, you're happy. That makes you happy. To reduce stress, absolutely. And so that we have ample quality time, absolutely true. So that we could complete all our tasks efficiently. Time is not, okay, time doesn't come back. So we could complete all our tasks efficiently. Absolutely true. So now, बहुत बार होता है हम लोगों से मिलते हैं and we tell them that we have other people saying something, so we feel satisfied at the end of the day, make our best version. True, and improve self-discipline as well. That is one thing that we require for time management. Poor versus good time managers. होता है हम लोगों से मिलते हैं और मिलते ही हम एक कॉमेंट कर देते हैं कि ये से टाइम मैनेज करना नहीं आता, ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम मैनेज करती है, इसकी लाइफ बिल्कुल भी सॉर्टेड नहीं है, इसकी लाइफ 100% सॉर्टेड है, उससे जाके कुछ सीखो वो कितना करते हैं. these are the words we use. और कभी कभी हम सोशल मीडिया पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे लोगों को देखते हैं और हम सोचते हैं कि इतना काम कैसे कर लेते हैं, हाउ डू दे मैनेज देयर पर्सनल लाइफ along with their professional life, right? So there's a difference between poor versus good time managers. Poor time managers do things only when they are in the mood. So if I'm in the mood, I will do this webinar. If I'm in the mood, I will clean my cupboard. If I'm in the mood, I will sit with my family and enjoy. But if I'm not, I am happy where I am. This is not the quality of a good time manager. You have to do what you need to do, what you should do. So if I should clean my cupboard, I will do it. If I should cook, I will cook. If I should sit and plan for my career, I will do that. So if this time is dedicated to you, I'm going to do it, right? Despite the fact I am in the mood or not. So the question is, what to do next? We rarely ask ourselves this question, subconsciously, consciously, हम बहुत rarely हम अपने आप से ये question करते हैं, what to do next. Majorly हम question तब करते हैं जब हम highly bored होते हैं या हम अपना एक task कर चुके होते हैं already कि अब मैं क्या करूं. बच्चे होते हैं, छोटे बच्चे, you must have heard saying this, मैं अब क्या करूं, मैं बोर हो रहा हूं, मैं अब क्या करूं, मुझे कुछ करवाओ, मुझे कुछ गेम खिलवाओ. So basically this question is not placed in the right pattern, is not rightly placed. जो question हमें एक रात पहले, एक हफ्ते पहले, एक महीने पहले पूछना चाहिए अपने आप से, वो हम on the spot पूछते हैं, मैं क्या करूं, what to do next, अब मैं क्या करूं. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपके पास ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए कि मैं कल शाम को 5 बजे क्या करूंगी. So if I am sitting here from 4 to 5:30 with you, I have a task scheduled at 6 p.m. I have a task scheduled at 6:30. I have a task scheduled at 7. I have a task scheduled at 8. It doesn't have to be productive, right? Probably I'll go make a tea, sip tea with my family. I'll go play badminton. I'll go walk, whatever that it is. whatever, I'll make my bed, whatever that it is. It might not have to be related to my career, but it has to be something, right? So that's the question you should keep asking yourself. The next is the activity. I'm sure आप लोग अपने पेपर और पेन लेकर के बैठे हैं. If not, then I request you to please carry your paper and a pen. We are going to play a small game, small activity, and there is no fun अगर हम ये एक्टिविटी नहीं खेलेंगे या हम इस एक्टिविटी को नहीं करेंगे या पेपर पेन हाथ में नहीं होगा. Please bring a paper and a pen, and once I see the messages go, I'm going to explain this activity to you. Bring it and say go. Bring it and write go. Quickly. Perfect. Absolutely. Wow. Okay, so many messages. So you already have a paper and a pen with you. It's going to be fun. It's going to be enlightening. So please bring your paper and pen. I'm still waiting for others. Still waiting. Right, go once you have your paper and pen in hand. Phone nahi chalega, you have to have a paper and a pen. Okay, perfect. So many people. Shall we begin? Perfect. So now we are starting with this activity, and the activity is, listen to me very carefully. Do not start doing it unless I say go this time, right? So do not start. Please shuru mat karna jab tak main go na bolu. Listen to me very carefully. So this activity is, you have to write. First, switch on your timer. Then write multitasking is a thief in block letters. जैसे ये यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, बिल्कुल वैसा ही आपको लिखना है. उसके नीचे मल्टीटास्किंग इज अ थीफ, उसके नीचे आप 1 to 20 नंबर्स लिखेंगे. पहले मल्टीटास्किंग इज अ थीफ लिखेंगे, फिर नंबर्स लिखेंगे. लिखने से पहले टाइमर ऑन करेंगे, लिखते ही टाइमर ऑफ करेंगे. जितने सेकेंड्स में आपने ये लिखा उतने सेकेंड्स चैट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. क्विकली डू इट. एनी क्वेश्चन? राइट क्वेश्चन इन द चैट बॉक्स. आई विल रिपीट इट. The activity is, write multitasking is a thief. Write the exact sentence which is there on the screen, and then below this sentence write numbers from 1 to 20 as it is there on the screen. Switch on your timer before you start doing it, and then switch off your timer once you are done. जितने seconds में आपने ये finish किया उतने seconds chat box में लिखिए. 20.76, wonderful. 10 seconds, oh my god. 19.6, 10 seconds, amazing. 11, wow. 19.6, 11, 10.7, 24, 8, wow. 25 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, great number. 23, 25.20, wow. But corrected thief, okay. 35, 10, 22. We are going to see an interesting thing here. Interesting, the awesome thing. 30, 19, wow. Okay, 10 seconds, wonderful. Go back to this activity again. Now, this is the same activity, but stop. Listen to the instructions again. This is the same activity, but the little catch is, मल्टीटास्किंग इज अ थीफ. पूरा लिखना है आपको. मेरी स्क्रीन में नहीं फिट हो रहा था इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिखा है. मल्टीटास्किंग इज अ थीफ पूरा लिखना है, पर इस बार आपको एक लेटर एक नंबर, एक लेटर एक नंबर, ऐसे लिखना है. सो यू विल स्टार्ट M1, U2, L3, T4, I5, ऐसे लिखना है आप लोगों को. टाइमर ऑन करेंगे, टाइमर ऑफ करेंगे, जितना टाइम लगा कंप्लीट करने में वो लिखेंगे. राइट अ नंबर, राइट अ लेटर एंड अ नंबर. I hope you understood the sequence. $37.44 seconds. पहले कितना था? पहले से कंपेयर करो. 27 seconds, 30 seconds, 37 seconds, 30 seconds. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Do you see the difference? Yes or no? Y or N? Earlier 19, now 30, 28, 48. Yes. So do you see the difference? Y or N? 35, 40 seconds. Y. Yes, you see the difference. Yes, absolutely. So the point is, the catch here is that a brain is not made to do multitask. The brain is not to do multitasking. It works one activity, then the other activity, one activity, then the other activity. And now, when we do multitasking, जब हम multitask करते हैं, this is what happens. This is the reality that happens जब हम multitasking करते हैं. Our brain is physically incapable of handling multiple active tasks at the same time. Of course, आप ड्राइव करते हुए गाने सुन सकते हो, आप एक्सरसाइज करते हुए, योगा करते हुए गाने सुन सकते हो, ऑफ कोर्स जुम्बा करते हुए गाने सुनते हैं. जिस एक्टिविटी में आपके एक पार्ट ऑफ ब्रेन, one part of brain doesn't have to be actively involved, those are the activities you can multitask. But the activities, because only one zone of the cortex of your brain can be active at a time, they just take turns and never get active together. So जब हमारा ब्रेन इस चीज के लिए बना ही नहीं है, और फिर जब हम मल्टीटास्क करते हैं, that is when our speech slows down. जितना जो टास्क हमें एक साल में हो जाएगा, एक महीने में हो जाएगा, we take 3 years and 3-4 months and 6 months to finish that task. If you start, for example, if you're writing a book and along with it you start another, or you read a book, or you do something else, and you want to do it together, that's not possible. So next time, ये जो हम creating a plan में जा रहे हैं, now that the direction we are taking, creating a plan, make sure why we studied this, that our brain is not made to do multitasking, because अब जब हम plans बनाएंगे तो हम independent plans बनाएंगे, and we'll see how to fix independent plans. If you ask me, that being a blogger, also a personality development trainer in an institute, also doing webinars, also writing a book, also doing a PhD, how do I manage to do multitask? Because that is not multitasking. You have to fix days in a week. So if Monday I'm doing something, I'm not doing it for the rest of the week. If Tuesday I'm doing something, I'm not doing it for the rest of the week. You have to create a plan accordingly. Those who make plan take actions. Now let's do another activity, a very small, interesting, quite inquisitive activity. When it comes to developing a plan, many a times we have no idea how to make a plan, and we succeed in one part of our life, and then we go back and realize, oh my God, I've lost my family, I've lost connections with my friends, I've lost connection with my social life, I've lost connection with my spiritual connection, I've lost, I've gained so much of weight. So these are few things that sometimes then later, after years, so many years, they ignite a kind of thing in us कि ये सब पीछे कैसे छूट गया. This activity will help you gather everything again. So this is called wheel of life. So you have to decide exactly what you want in every key area of your life. My mission after we are done with this webinar is to create a plan for all of you and all of us here after the webinar. Let's see how. So now this slide or this wheel of life can have multiple things. I request Vandana ji, I think unintentionally ho raha hai, but you're making too many lines on my presentation. However, it is making it very creative and I'm totally in love with it, but मैं थोड़ा सा टाइम नहीं मैनेज कर पा रही हूँ मेरा ब्रेन एक साथ काम नहीं कर रहा ओके मूविंग फॉरवर्ड so spirituality health family society and friends love and romance career work and studies finance fun and recreation पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट एनवायरमेंट किसी भी तरीके का आपका गोल हो सकता है ये सारे भी आपके गोल हो सकते हैं नाउ व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम यू इज प्लीज राइट दीज इन योर डायरी क्विकली राइट दीज पॉइंट्स you can omit any point you can increase with writing anything else so probably if for me at present say fun and recreation or say environment इतना फोकस नहीं करता तो शायद मैं उसे थोड़ा कम कर दूंगी राइट या नहीं लिखूंगी so write these words I want you to write these words in the paper spirituality health family social and friends love and romance career work and studies finance fun and recreation personal development and environment quickly once you're done say go once you are done say go okay so I can only see 2 people with go I want more so that we can start quickly spirituality health family now as it is there on the screen you can see spirituality means connection with inner self and outer world health physical health emotional health diet sleep relaxation exercise family quality of relationship healthy communication with the people mutual understanding time and support similarly for every component have you written the components let's move and let's dive in next is on the uh, on the scale of 1 to 10 as it is there on the screen on the scale of 1 to 10 mark how many points will you give to spirituality from out of 10 10 being the top point 10 being the top category give rating health and fitness how many out of 10 money career social and friends love family personal growth hobbies I mean okay so you have written a lot of people have written 10 okay great so this is how you have to write health 9 so either you can write it in your own diaries or if you're sharing it on the chat in the chat box mention how many in health how many in money how many in career and business out of 10 how many on social and friends love and family personal growth write it in your diary once you're done we'll continue 8 health good social 4 The areas where 10 family, amazing. Money 2, family 10. Wow, amazing. So the categories which are beyond 5, the categories which are beyond 5, okay, health 7, money 9, career 9, social 8. Okay, amazing. Career 10. Okay, so the point is, as much as all of this is important in your life, as much as all of this is important to your life, create an Excel or create a kind of table that's created here on the screen, and then specifically see which areas require most importance in your life, which are the areas where you need to focus more. Write down the areas where you need to focus more, where you think the value is less than 6. The value is less than 6. Which are those very areas where you need to focus more? The value is 6, less than 6. Write down the areas where you need to focus more, where you think you need to focus more. So it be hobbies, right? For some, it'll be health, family, money, social. The areas where you need to focus more. So the areas where you spend, where you know, right, where you give yourself score less than 6, 6 or less than 6 are the areas where you need to focus more. Areas from 7 to 9 or 10, it's okay whatever you're doing, but manage your time well so that you keep on moving in the direction. And there are other things like upskilling yourself, that is another thing. Education, that is another thing. So this is wheel of life, and you have to practice this wheel of life, not today, not only today, but every month. Because if I'm focusing on my upskilling today, have I improved? That is very important. Have I improved? So if you do it every 15 days, if you do it every month, you realize and you are in a better position to understand whether or not you are improving, you're moving in the right direction, whether or not your planning is going in the right direction. Now, how to move in the right direction? How to move in the right direction? Number 1, decide exactly what you want. Exactly what you want. You have your paper and pen in your hand. Write it down. Exactly that you want in your life. Be it your career, your family, your relationships. You have your diary and a pen. Write it down. It's not important. I'm not asking you to write it down only now. It's very important to decide in life exactly what you want. Write it down, because when you write things down, they become tangible. See, I want to go out and buy things, right? So if I make a list or not, I will go out and buy exactly the things that I want and come back home. Why? Because I have visualized them. So if I'm here in the house and I'm in the kitchen and I'm looking at things like I need tomatoes, I need maybe some other vegetables, I need some fruits. I come to my room and I see I need, say, a table, I need bed sheet, I need water bottle, I need a glass. So these are tangible things. I have visualized them. So when I go to the market, I, even if I do have a list or I do not have a list, I know by looking at the things. You know, कई बार होता है हम दुकान में होता है and we are like, दिखेगा नहीं, दिख रहा, दिखेगा तो याद आ जाएगा, दिखेगा तो याद आ जाएगा, नाम बताओ कौन सा नाम था, याद आ जाएगा, because that is how we visualize things, right? Now when we visualize things like this, when we are in the market, that's exactly how you visualize your goals. और जब हम उन्हें अचीव करने जाते हैं, उन्हें लेने जाते हैं, तो हमें विजुअलाइज्ड गोल ज्यादा इजीली अचीव कर पाते हैं. वो गोल्स जो हमने विजुअलाइज कर रखे हैं, जब हम उन्हें लिखते हैं, दे बिकम टैंजिबल. जब वो गोल्स टैंजिबल हो जाते हैं, दे आर देयर with us, in front of us, and we are able to achieve them. Number 3, set a deadline on your goal. See, if I ask you to plan a visit from today and say just leave for a vacation, but when to come back, return ticket bhi hum karwate hain, right? Without a return ticket, can we assume a vacation? We have a full-fledged family, we have a full-fledged flourishing business, we have everything in hand, and we're planning a vacation, we are packing our bags, everything's done, and we are on the vacation, and there is no thought of coming back. Can we imagine that? Or if I ask you, if I tell you, let's go on a vacation, when is the first question you will ask me? When are we going? Let's start packing, when do we come back? When are we going? When is the question we ask all the time. Then when you set your goals, when is the first question that you should ask? When am I going to do it? When am I going to finish it? By when should I be able to grab it or achieve it? Whatever that my goal is, right? Set a deadline. जब goal में deadline आ जाती है और वो tangible हो जाता है, it becomes much more easier to achieve it. Number 4, make a list of everything that you can think of that you need to do to achieve your goal. बहुत बार हमारे लाइफ में गोल होता है पर ये पता नहीं होता what do I need to achieve it. That is the first reason why we procrastinate, because we don't know what do I want, what do I need to achieve it, right? Do you need a skill? Do you need somebody who can help you? Do you need anybody who need to be your mentor? What help do you need? What resources do you need? Step number 5, organize that list into a plan. Prioritize and sequence. Number 1 thing, I need to call this person. Number 2, I need to collect. For example, I'm writing a book. Number 1 thing, I need a mentor. Number 2 thing, I need a publisher. Number 3 thing, I need to collect the resources to gather data, right? When you have all the things in front of you, tangible things that you can see, you do not procrastinate. The chances of procrastination goes down. Step number 6, take action and plan immediately. There's this book, Eat That Frog, which says when you have a frog in front of you, frog as in the biggest plan, the biggest goal of your life, the biggest action to take, the biggest thing, go do it. Go do it right now. So if after this session, if you plan to open up your business, take that job, call that person, call that friend, or anything that you have been procrastinating since long, finish that deadline, or start walking, start eating healthy, whatever that it is that you're procrastinating out of no reason because of your limiting beliefs, what will people say? Or is it too hard to do? Or if you have fear of success, or if you have fear of failure, or if you think that I have never done it before, how am I going to do it? Go do it. At the same point, the moment you have this thought, get up and do it, right? That's the first rule of time management. And number 7, resolve to do something every single day that move you towards your major goal. Rome wasn't built in a day. It took years and years to build Rome, right? एक wall भी नहीं बनती एक दिन में, brick by brick wall बनती है. So you cannot expect yourself to achieve a goal right next day. Keep moving. See, it's important to run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But do not stop. That's the catch. Now there is this concept of 80-20%, 80-20 rule, that is Pareto principle after the scientist Alfredo Pareto. This says life तो बहुत बड़ी हो गई, दिन में, so today, whatever that I'm doing, whatever, मेरे 80% टास्क मुझे 20% वैल्यू देंगे और मेरे 20% टास्क मुझे 80% वैल्यू देंगे. मेरा 80% जो मैं अपने फोन में यूटिलाइज कर रही हूँ, मैं अगर मेरा फोन का यूसेज आज से 12 आवर्स है, 6 आवर्स है, 8 आवर्स है, 9 आवर्स है, उसमें 80% यूसेज वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है. सिर्फ 20% यूसेज है जो वर्थ है. अगर मैं सोशल मीडिया पर टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ, 80% I'm wasting my time. It's just 20% that I'm on LinkedIn and doing something worth. 80% of the life watching Netflix, watching OTT platforms, playing, talking to people. Playing is good, but then playing all the time and not doing and not focusing, that's not good, right? Planning things which are not important, planning things for which you have no idea. I've seen people planning nothing, sitting and planning, मैं वो कर लूंगी, मैं वो कर लूंगा, मैं वो बोला. What is your goal, right? What do we majorly procrastinate? We procrastinate the A task. That is the most important task of our life. The most important task, top 20% task, we procrastinate. What we do, the easiest one, the laziest one, the 80% task which have no value in life. Imagine the kind of person you want to become. बचपन में क्वेश्चन पूछते थे, आज भी पूछते हैं, आपका आइडियल कौन है, आपको कौन पसंद है, मम्मा पसंद है, पापा पसंद है. और ये क्वेश्चन बच्चे को बचपन में भी कंफ्यूज करता था और बड़े होने के बाद में भी कंफ्यूज करता है. हमें आज भी नहीं पता कि हमारा आइडियल कौन है. और अगर कह दिया कि मेरा आइडियल XYZ पर्सन है, चैप्टर क्लोज. उसको आइडियल क्यों बनाया जब आप उससे कुछ सीख नहीं सकते, वैसा बनना नहीं चाहते. Imagine the kind of person you want to be. Visualize the habit कि मैं कैसी मैं कैसा बनना चाहता हूँ फ्यूचर में, कैसे दिखना चाहती हूँ फ्यूचर में. Visualize the habit. मेरे फ्यूचर सेल्फ की क्या हैबिट है. Do you want to sit and watch OTT forever in your life, or do you want to get up and do something worthwhile so that your kids, your siblings, people out there should look up to you, that I want to be like her, I want to be like him. Visualize the habits of that person. See उसका सक्सेस क्या होगा. What is the thing that person will be proud of. कैसी लाइफस्टाइल होगी, कैसा लुक होगा, फिटनेस गोल्स क्या होंगे. But can you, and ask the question to yourself, can you become that person by doing whatever that you are doing right now? Successful people delay gratification, make sacrifice in the short run. Let me give you an example. अक्सर कॉर्पोरेट में क्या होता है, when we go in the corporates for trainings, what we generally notice and see is लोग बैठे हैं गॉसिप कर रहे हैं, बैठे हैं इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं. दिस इज शॉर्ट टर्म प्लानिंग, इमीडिएट ग्रेटिफिकेशन को फुलफिल करना. बोर हो रहे हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स चलाना है. बोर हो रहे हैं, गॉसिपिंग करनी है. बोर हो रहे हैं, चाय पी के आना है. दैट इज the immediate gratification that they fulfill. Long term इसका outcome क्या होता है, zero, null and void. You don't grow, right? But the successful people, what do? They think long, they sacrifice in the short term. They don't go out, they bring things in, right? Proven morning routine schedule. So a lot of people have asked me that how to avoid procrastination, और ये जो goals की हमने बात की है, that is how I'm going to write my goals, plan my day. But what is this issue about morning routine? मुझे सुबह जल्दी क्यों उठना है, सुबह जल्दी उठने के लिए क्यों बोल रहे हो. या पेरेंट्स के पास में एक ही लाइन होती है कि सारी प्रॉब्लम की जड़ है सुबह नहीं उठते. What is that fascination with waking up early in the morning? There is a fascination because you manifest whatever that you want in life when you wake up early. If you wake up at 6, I challenge you, wake up at 5:45, 5:30, you will see the difference. And if you wake up at 9, please start waking up early. That's my request. Plan your day a night before. So before you go to bed, plan what do you want to do tomorrow. When you wake up unsure, when you wake up with nothing in mind, nothing in head, you do nothing because you wake up so unsure. You wake up so with lack of energy. And when you plan different things, different day, again unsurety, because आपको नहीं पता अगले वेंसडे आपको क्या करना है. You can't make a routine like this. Morning routine हमेशा फिक्स होना चाहिए, फिक्स मॉर्निंग रूटीन होना चाहिए. जो आपने आज किया वही कल, वही परसों. सो योर माइंड इज शेड्यूल्ड. योर माइंड एक बॉडी में एक अलार्म क्लॉक होती है, आपका बॉडी क्लॉक वैसा सेट हो जाना चाहिए ताकि जब आप रात में 10 दिन बाद में आपके ब्रेन को पता होना चाहिए कि कल सुबह उठ के आप क्या करने वाले हो. You set a routine, you set an alarm for yourself. So when you set an alarm, when you set morning routine for yourself, your entire day is already done and sorted. Set goals for the day every morning. When I wake up every morning, I write my goals. So if my goal is to better my relationships, lose my weight, be more focused, plan more webinars, give more Q&A, plan more Q&As, plan more live sessions, work on my personal branding, whatever that it is, whatever, be one-on-one with my students, whatever that it is, I write it down every morning. Because when I write it down every morning, the entire day I don't get time to sit and waste a penny of it, a single moment, because I know whatever that I'm doing right now, I have to finish it because I have something else to do in hand. I have to talk to my students, I have to take classes, I have to plan a webinar, I have to plan live session, I have to write a book, I have to finish my PhD, I have to talk to somebody on call, I have to plan a live session. That's where my mind works on, right? And that's how the right thing to do. That's what the right thing to do is. And this also includes that I want to go on for a walk, I want to exercise, I want to just sit and relax with my family. Those are also the goals. Avoid checking your phone. The very mistake that we make, the first mistake, the major mistake of the day, the major mistake of our life that we are making is हम सब सुबह उठते ही फोन चेक करते हैं. If you're waking up at 5:45 or 6, do not check your phone for another 3 hours. I don't do it. I check my phone at 10. 10 means 10. Now से पहले, उसके बाद, of course, stretch and exercise. There's a scientific reason between exercising in the morning that induces blood flow in the body. When your blood flow increases in the body, that goes into your mind as well, and your mind is super charged. So for the rest of the day, you're supercharged. Read a good book. That's an amazing therapy. If you cannot do it every day, that's okay. Do it twice a week. Start with twice a week, once a week, thrice a week, but read a book. A book every day. Trust me. A book, if you don't believe me, do it and trust me. A book, reading a book every day, every morning, will make you so insightful, so beautiful, so smart, so intelligent, so upskilling. You'll get so many ideas. You cannot imagine jo aap ek mahine pehle the personality will totally be different a month later. Meditate. Once you're done with your exercise, your book reading, and writing your goals, sit with yourself. And the best way to meditate is unfocused meditation, or rather you can say focused meditation on your breathing. So focus on your breathing as it is. No if, no but. Spend time with your family is another part of morning routine if you can do that. So the first hour is the rudder of the day. It sets the tone for everything else that happens in the entire day. The first hour affects the mindset and your productivity. Now, a lot of people ask me how not to procrastinate. And I always answer them, why do you have to focus on procrastination? Do you also believe that procrastination is a problem? Yes, why, no, N. Yes, why, no, N. Procrastination is a problem. Yes, no. Procrastination is a problem with so many people, almost everybody. Yes, yes, yes. What if I tell you to procrastinate? What if I ask you, depends on the work? Yes, absolutely true. It depends on the work, That's also true. What if I ask you to procrastinate? What if I give you a strategy to procrastinate? Will you listen to me? Do you want to procrastinate and not feel guilty about it? Yes or no, quickly. Do you want to procrastinate and not feel guilty about it? Yes. Do you want to procrastinate and not feel guilty about it at all? The best thing in the world is procrastinate. The best thing in the time management, the best strategies, procrastinate. 100%. We can procrastinate unimportant work. Absolutely true. Procrastinate low value tasks. Say no graciously. Procrastinate consciously and cut down time on OTT, Facebook, Instagram. Of course, if you manage business out of it, that's a different case. Like I told you, we procrastinate top 20% task. I'm asking you to procrastinate 80% task. Always ask yourself a question. I'll be giving you, after this presentation, I'll be giving you 5 to 7 most important question of your life. So be there till the end. I'm going to give you the most important 7 questions of your life. Procrastinate low value task. Every task that is unimportant, every task that has no value, every task which seems, ask yourself, if I'm doing it right now, if I'm doing this right now, I'll ask myself, if this is important, if yes, move. If no, move. Say no graciously. You're asking me to do something. If I'm saying a yes to you, that means I am delaying some of my task. If I'm free, yes. If I'm not, no. Tell them no. Why no? Procrastinate consciously. Cut down time on other things. Procrastination. How does our brain trick? Break the bigger task into smaller chunks. I can't do everything today. I have to break it down. Keep the things ready which you will be required to do that task. Make checklist for every step. Have I done this? Yes. Have I done this? Yes. Have I done this? No. Then do it. Why do we need to break our goals into smaller goals? Because we can't achieve that bigger elephant. If I ask you to eat an elephant, you can't do it. That's too big. But piece by piece, of course you can. You can build the biggest wall in the world, but with one brick at a time. A few points to remember. Eat the biggest frog first concept. If I could do only one thing on the list today, if I could do one thing today, what will it be? Write down quickly. If I could do only one thing on the list that you have, your goal list of your task, what is the one thing, only one thing that you could do to achieve your goals? Do it right now. 5 a.m. club concept. Wake up at 5 a.m. If there are 2 equally important bigger tasks, do the first task which you are surely going to procrastinate. So if there are 2 tasks, call somebody and do a presentation, and I'm definitely going to procrastinate calling. I will do calling first. Do not sit and look at it for too long. Go grab it, go do it, and then discipline yourself. The amount of work you do is influenced by how you feel. If you feel motivated, then you'll do it more. Therefore, you need to know how to motivate yourself. Do you like to be a winner? Of course, yes, right? Everybody likes to be a winner. Then set up a finish line. Winner kaun hota hai? Who is a winner? Who finished the finish line, right? Who crossed the finish line? Yes or no? Who is the winner? The one who crossed the finish line, right? Yes?